This is Sarah at Scrapbook.com, and we're in the Reminisce booth looking at some new collections. And I love this collection because I love to eat. It is Love at First Bite. So this sign, you can see all the different designs that are found in this collection. Very culinary feel to it, since it is Love at First Bite. You can get everything all in one kit. There's 8 12 by 12 papers with 2 sheets per design and a sticker sheet, or you can get them separately. And you can find them by searching in the search bar, typing in Love at First Bite on Scrapbook.com. So I want to show you a couple of my favorite papers in the line. I love this one because they're squares, which is super fun to me, and you can cut them out, you can give them to people, put them on things, put them on layouts, cards, etc. I love Baker's Gonna Bake. Happiness is licking the spoon. It's getting hot in here, so funny. So it's kind of a love theme, but also a food theme. This one's hilarious. I cook with wine and sometimes I even add it to my food. It's a kind of sassy collection. And then one other thing I really like is this one. It has all sorts of different culinary words on it. Dinner, potatoes, salt. Maybe it's one of those kind of things that you see on social media where the first word you find is your favorite food or something like that. But just really fun piece of paper for all of your crafting. Last, I want to show you a little bit of inspiration. Here's a layout that was created with the Love at First Bite collection. And you can find this entire collection by Reminisce at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.